Good morning, everyone. My name is Ban Chand. I'm an Insight Health Data Science Fellow. In Insight, I built a web app called Sugar Fairy, which is a candy allergen detector. In US, food allergy is a very serious problem. Over 5 million children have food allergy, and according to CDC, food allergy cases increase year by year. And as a parent with kids who has food allergy, it is a serious issue that affects our everyday life. And among all these different food items, candy is the most problematic one. It is especially true for Halloween candy, where barcodes or ingredient lists are quite often missing. And also for family like us with grandparents who don't know any English. Ingredient list is not very helpful in this case. So to solve this problem, I developed a web app that allowed users to take a picture of the candy. Then it will use computer vision AI to identify the candy and check for any potential allergen. Then the Sugar Fairy will approve or warn the user for any potential allergy reaction. So to start, I generate an image dataset of 10 different common candies, including Kit Kat, M&M's, Snickers. For each type of candy, I had about 200 pictures taken at different angles and background. The ingredient list data is obtained from the manufacturer. So once we have the image data, then each image will go through data augmentation, that's including zooming, rotation, shift, and contrast adjustment to create the training dataset. For convolutional neural network, I choose two modern CNN models. For Inception V3, that includes factorization to improve performance and reduce overfitting. It achieved over 95% accuracy in the validation dataset. And for the ResNet that use residuals layer to allow the network to go even deeper, well, the performance is even better. Both training accuracy, the blue line, and the validation accuracy, the red line, shows over 99% accuracy. So I decided to use this as my model. And once we can identify the candy, then we can browse the allergen list and see whether there's any potential allergen there. So although the accuracy is very high, there's still chance with misclassification. So when user show a candy image, the CNN model will predict and calculate the probability for each category. Classification is based on the category with the highest probability. So in this case, it successfully identified the candy is Kit Kat with over 99% certainty. However, user can provide image that's not one of these candy, and computer AI will still try to classify it, but this time it will have a much lower probability. For example here, that is 0.4. Since most of the correct prediction has probability over 0.98, so I decided to use it as a cutoff. And here is the website. I can show you how it works. So basically, you can just take a picture of the candy and then drag it over here. So it successfully recognized it as a Snicker almond. So if the user has almond allergy, then it will show warning for that. And if the user have only peanut allergy, then it's fine. So finally, a little bit about myself. My name is Ban Chen. I am a research associate at Harvard Medical School. I did my PhD at University of Oxford, and I also have a graduate certificate in data science from Harvard Extension School. I have very broad experience in biomedical research and data science, ranging from gene expression study to imaging to behavioral analysis. I'm excited to be here, and hopefully I have the opportunity to share my knowledge and contribute to the success of your company. Thank you.